about yourself.
I am.
It's said that you never get a second chance to make a first impression. And talking about interviews, the hiring manager would make up his or her mind in the first few minutes of the interview. So, did you actually make a good impression? Hi, I'm Aisha, and today I will be sharing with you from an employer's perspective how you've got to answer the question, tell me something about yourself. And also, I'll be sharing with you a small template so that next time you know exactly what to say. Now, when somebody asks you this question, they don't really mean to ask you about your entire life story, your family background, your friends, what pets you have. No, that's not what they mean to ask you. What they actually mean is, what are you bringing to the table? What value can you add to our company? And hence you have to answer this question in a very similar manner, for which there's a very easy formula called the 3S. Now here is a script that you can actually use. For your first S, that is success, you have to talk about your past experiences or any success that you had. For example, you can say, I have been into marketing for the last 3 years and I specialize in social media marketing and helping companies increase their reach. So you see, this is how you can talk about your success without actually bragging. Now the second, that is strength. Here is where you have to sell your strengths and your abilities. For example, you can say that my real strength is my ability to understand the market and consumer mindset. And finally, the third is situation. And here is the part where you actually apply your strengths and your success into the new company. For example, what I am looking for is a company that I could add value to. Or maybe you can say that I am looking for a place where I can join a strong team. And this is how your 3 S's work. Remember, if you want to achieve your goals, if you want to get the respect that you deserve, then you have to communicate with conviction. I hope you found this video useful, and if you're looking forward to more tips like these, then please stay tuned and subscribe.